The Gardena Star Cut Pro is a must-have for any garden with tall shrubs and trees. With an easily extended telescopic pole, it has pruning jaws that can be worked by pulling a tab or by sliding or pumping a handle. The jaws or blades can also be adjusted to over 200 degrees. The lopping or bow saw is connected via a screw bracket fixed to the pole just under the jaws. It's then just a case of clipping the saw onto the bracket. The Gardena Star Cut Pro has an impressive reach of 650 centimetres or 6.5 metres, and the jaws have a 32 centimetre cut diameter. The lopping saw is very sharp, strong and efficient, making light work of any boughs. If you've got tall shrubs or trees in your garden and maybe a fear of ladders, this is the ideal tool.